Hey guys, I'm Mugisha from Rwanda. I'm an experienced data engineer currently working with Turing partner company over the last few years. On a daily basis, I use Snowflake, Python, and TypeScript or JavaScript in my work. In Rwanda, if you are a developer and you need to make a great career, you have to have a degree. It's even difficult to get an opportunity if you don't have an engineering degree. At Turing, it's not the case. I'm seeing many self-taught developers making strides in their professional life. I got really interested with Turing when I came across an ad of a Kenyan developer who was working with an US company. As COVID-19 memories were still fresh, getting a permanent remote job made a lot of sense to me. I signed up for their test. These tests are time-bound. The key to succeed this test is to train yourself as long as you can solve like 50-something questions of your preferred programming language in 30 minutes. Once I passed this test, I got cleared for one Turing customer. Straight after that, I started working with them. Working remotely is a lot of fun. I like to take naps in between our working hours to save myself from mental exhaustion. Also, when I'm working, my focus remains just on my work. I don't have a lot of things on the back of my mind, like how the traffic will be going back home from work. Plus, remote work exposes you to opportunities that would not be possible when working locally. For example, now I'm building a tech solution that helps to manage healthcare facilities in the US from my home. If you are an experienced developer who wants to get exposed to career-changing opportunities, go to Turing.com and take your first test today.